Hey there, I'm Dylan Lee. This is Lexi. We took the Tour in Peru Inca Trail. Took the 4-day Inca Trail trek all the way from Ollantaytambo to Machu Picchu, and it was amazing. We found Tour in Peru through the internet, and it had a great website, and we thought that they were going to be reputable, so we had an awesome group. The porters were amazing, the food was fantastic. It was dry every day, even though it was raining. Like, they had our tents dry and everything. Willie, our tour guide, was the best you could have asked for.
Yeah, he knew everything about everything on the trail, so we had so much fun. We laughed a lot. We got good exercise, and we learned so much.
Pretty sore, but it was totally worth it. So thank you guys so much, Tour in Peru. Really appreciate it, and we had a great time. Thank you.